Good? Hi! I'm rolling in a chair for some odd reason. And those doofuses, Dakota and Trent, we're going to make a video of what we do on a Saturday night home alone. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Hey, look, a chair. Let's break it.
Obviously, they don't know about me. Oh, that's Monkey. Stop eating the cord. You must die. Ow! Die! I'm going to sit in a chair again. This is the chair.
Chair.
Chair! Ow. Dakota, let's see how you sit on it.
My turn.
No.
It's my turn forever.
Whee! Is that? Dude, you're scratching the floor up. Get off. Get off. Get off. Woo! Hi.
My turn. Out of the way.
Let's play mopping.
To the extreme.
I am a mop. A mighty, mighty mop.
Get it, Midget.
So, that's what I do on a Saturday night home alone.